Hello guys, welcome to my channel World and News. Let's start with today's news. Today will be the best day for all the Indians as the news came from the Tokyo Olympic 2020 days 15 is dead. Neeraj Chopra win an historic gold medal in men's javelin throw event. The news posted by Hindustan Times is dead. Neeraj Chopra wins historic gold in men's javelin throw. Indian Neeraj Chopra won the gold medal in the men's javelin throw event with a throw of 87.55 meter in his second attempt. Neeraj Chopra on Saturday created a history by becoming the second Indian to win the individual gold in Olympics after shooter Abhinav Bindra. Neeraj is the first Indian in over 120 years and the first athlete from independent India to win an Olympic medal in the track and field discipline. Neeraj won the gold medal in the men's javelin throw event with the throw of 87.58 meter in his second attempt. The only medal that India won in the track and field event was back in 1900 when British Indian Norman Pritchard has won two silver medals in Paris. The International Olympic Committee will still credits Norman Pritchard's medal to India, though various research, including the record of then IAAF, now World Athletics, showed that he had competed for Great Britain. Neeraj Chopra's gold took India's medal count to 7 at Tokyo Olympics, the best ever, bettering the tally of 6 medals at London Olympics in 2012. Chopra also became the sixth Indian athlete to win an individual medal at Tokyo Olympics, joining weightlifter Mirabai Channu, shuttler PV Sindhu, boxer Lavlina, wrestlers Ravi Kumar Dahiya and Bajrang Punia. Neeraj was at number one position after all athletes completed their first attempt with an 87.03 meter throw. The Indian bettered his performance in the second attempt with an 87.55 meter throw, which kept him in a lead. Neeraj's third attempt was 76.79 meter. A farmer's son from Khandra village near Panipat in Haryana who took up athletics to shed flab. Neeraj maintained his top spot when 12 athletes were trimmed to 8. Top athlete advanced to get 3 more attempts. Neeraj's fourth and fifth attempt was not up to the mark, and the athlete chose to deliberately cross over the line so that the distance doesn't count on both occasions. The Indian continued to be the best thrower at the end of round 5 by virtue of his monster throw in the second attempt, which turned out to be enough to give India a historic gold at the Tokyo Games. A pre-tournament medal contender, the 23-year-old Chopra fueled country expectations by topping the qualification round with a stunning first round throw of 86.59 meters. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. For more news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to my channel World and News, and also share with your friends and relatives. Thank you.